Hello and welcome back to another video. So if you're a regular viewer of the channel, you'll know I'm a big fan of Lian's UNI fans, and I've used these in a lot of my recent builds because they're so simple to use. You can link up to 4 fans together and have just 2 wires coming from them, and also they look great. So today Lian have sent me their new version of their UNI fans, the AL120s, and in this video I'm going to be seeing what's new with the latest version. So what's new with the AL120 UNI fans? And I think the biggest change that we've got is we've now got RGB effects on the fan blades themselves. The previous version of the UNI fans had great RGB effects, but they were limited to the frame of the fan. So as well as having RGB effects on the fan themselves, we've also got RGB effects built in to the frame of the fan. And you can actually control both the effects independently using the new version of Lian's L-Connect software, which I'll show you later on in the video. Lian have also improved the performance of the fans, so the fan blades are now 6% wider, which gives us more airflow and also more static pressure. They've also improved the fans themselves, so they actually run quieter than the original version of the UNI fans, which were already a pretty quiet fan. On the sides of the UNI fans, we've got a very attractive brushed aluminium trim, while Lian have also improved the rear of the fans with a central aluminium medallion where previously the fan specification sticker used to go. As well, Lian have hidden the wires on the back of the fans, so these fans should look great no matter which way you need to install them in your case. Like with the previous version of the UNI fans, they're available both in black and white, and as a 3-pack with the included controller, or as a single fan, which is only to be used as an add-on because the single fan doesn't include the controller, which you're going to need. The triple pack of the fans will retail for $99.99 US, while the single fans are $29.99. And again, remember, you can't just buy a single fan, you're going to need to start off with a triple pack because it contains the controller. What I'm going to do now is show you how to connect the fans up, and then we'll take a look at the RGB effects. Okay, so I'm now going to show you how to connect up and install a triple pack of the UNI fans. So the first thing to do is link the fans together. So that's the 3 fans linked together. If you did want to purchase a separate fan, you can link up to 4 fans together. The next thing for us to do is to add one of these connectors to each group of Lian UNI fans. And the triple pack comes with 3 of these connectors because you can use the 3 fans singly. So all we need to do is set this on at the side and then push it into place. Okay, so coming from our UNI fans, we've got 2 connectors. We've got a standard 4-pin fan connector, and then we've got an RGB connector. So this is one of the nice things, you can have 4 fans but only 2 connectors to plug in, and we're going to need to plug this into the hub that comes with a triple fan pack. Okay, so this is our hub. It's got 4 channels, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we've got 2 connectors for each of the channels, meaning we can plug in 4 groups of fans, and as each group can have up to 4 fans, one hub can control up to 16 fans. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and plug the 4-pin PWM connector into channel 1, and also the RGB connector also into channel 1. Coming from the ends of the hub, we've got 3 connectors. One of them is already plugged in, and this is the USB cable we're going to plug into one of the USB 2.0 headers on our motherboard. Our hub is going to need power, so we need to go ahead and plug the supplied SATA cable in, and then we're going to plug this into the SATA cable coming from our power supply. The final cable to plug in is the one that's going to let our hub sync with the motherboard. So coming from this cable, we've got 2 connectors. One is a standard 4-pin fan connector, and the other is a 3-pin 5-volt RGB connector. Once we plug both these in, our motherboard is going to be able to control both the fan speed, but also the RGB effects on the fans. And there is an option in the L-Connect software, which I'll show you later on, which lets your motherboard control everything. From my previous experience with the last lot of Lian UNI fans, you're going to get much better RGB effects using the L-Connect software than you will using the motherboard control, but it's a nice option to have. So I'm going to go ahead and get this plugged into my computer, and then I'll give you a look at the RGB effects. Okay, that's everything connected up, and we're on the default lighting mode. So you can see there's lighting in the fan blades themselves, but we've also got these 4 LED bars on the frame of the fan. If I go ahead and turn the fans round to the rear side of the fans, you'll notice as well, we've also got these LED lighting bars and also the aluminium medallion in the middle of the fans. So I think the fans look great no matter which way round they are. Okay, so this is the new Lian AL software version 2. And you can see we've now got the options for the UNI fans AL as well as the original SL fans. We've got motherboard software sync and we have plugged into channel 1. If you look at our fans, you'll see only 2 of them are lighting up at the moment, and that's because only 2 fans are selected here. Because we've got 3 fans in this group, I'm going to select 3 and click apply. And you'll see now all 3 of the fans are lighting up. First of all, looking at the fan speed, it's currently set to PWM, so it's taking the fan speed from the motherboard by default, which I think is a good choice. We can go into the fan mode and we can change the speed, so we can go for quiet and we'll click apply to all. If we want, we can change the speed. Let's go for full speed and click apply to all. And you'll notice there's quite a bit of extra noise coming up in the background and the fans are picking up. If we want a manual speed, we can go and set it to whatever we want here. So just by dragging up and down and then apply to all. Okay, let's go in and look and see what other effects there is. So if we go for static color, and what we're going to do, I'm going to pick the white color, that's my favorite. I'm going to set all the fans to white and then click apply to all. So that's what things look like in white. I'll just show you the rear of the fans as well. Okay, we'll see what else we've got. So we go for breathing color and click apply to all. Tai Chi. Now again, only 2 fans are selected. I'm going to have to select 3 and apply to all to have the effects on all 3 of the fans. Let's go for color cycle. Select 3 fans and apply to all. Okay, so say I wanted just to change the lighting around the outside and leave the middle set to rainbow, we can do that. So we need to go in and select just the outside. We're going to go ahead and click on static color. We'll select white, color them all in, and then click apply to all. Now we may want to go ahead and adjust the middle because the middle is not currently set to rainbow, so we're going to have to go in and select the middle. We can see it's set to static color, and these are the static colors that have been applied. So we're going to go for rainbow, select the 3 fans and click apply to all. So we've got rainbow in the middle with white around the outside. So you can set them to whatever you want, controlling the outside and the middle completely separately. So I'm really impressed with Lian Li's new AL120 UNI fans, and I'm looking forward to getting a build done with them soon. If you found the video useful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not currently subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching.